Good morning, everybody. Mark Finan here in the home weather office. It is Friday. Friday is let's see, it's the ninth. It's the ninth day of June, 2023, and this is the morning briefing. Good looking Friday morning as we look out the window of the home office. Bright sunshine. It is a good looking day, and it is going to be a very nice day today. Minimum of thunderstorms today in the Sierra. Looks like anything we see in the Sierra today will be on the east side. However, yes, it's Friday. We're heading into the weekend. And if you have weekend plans that are outdoors, especially in the foothills and the Sierra, well, yeah, you got to stay tuned to the forecast. So I'll show you the latest thinking here about where and when we may be seeing a return of thunderstorms. It's going to be kind of a repeat of what we saw earlier this week. So let me show you how we're starting off on this morning. As you can see, yeah, on the satellite, fantastic looking morning. There's the deep marine layer along the coast. So San Francisco and into Napa County were socked in. Once you get past about Fairfield, you break out into sunshine. There are clouds up on the northeast plateau and through much of Plumas County, and they're kind of drape across the Tahoe area. And then as you come to the south, we still have snowpack, although the snowpack is diminishing rather quickly. We're down to about 14 inches of water, which is still a lot for this time of year. But consider that the snowpack started off at 62 inches of water back on April 8th is when it topped out. So 2 months ago we had 62 inches of water in the Sierra. Now we're down to about 14. That's the statewide average. So we've lost a lot of it, but there's still a fair amount of snow. A couple of high, thin clouds coming across the valley. No big deal, but that's the extent of cloud cover we will see throughout the day. And then here on the coast, the marine layer will retreat, although San Francisco is likely to stay socked in with clouds throughout the day. But yeah, the foothills, where we had a fair amount of cloud cover yesterday, especially above Highway 49, today a bright and sunny day. So let's talk about thunderstorms, shall we? Today, I'm going to show you the HRRR because this is a good short-range model. Here's where the thunderstorms are today. Pretty minimal. Maybe along 395. You maybe see a buildup if you're going to be around the Mono Lake area. Maybe driving down 395, maybe going to Walkerburger. Wish I could do that today. And then up toward the northeast plateau, maybe a couple of showers and thunderstorms. Most of it will be into Nevada and then farther to the north into Oregon and Idaho. So today, a pretty quiet day for California. Now, you see this area down here that's pivoting around off the coast. Just kind of see how this is just kind of starting to show up. This is tonight and early tomorrow morning. And then I'm kind of discounting this. The HRRR is picking up on a little band of rain that could come across the valley in the morning. I'm skeptical, but we'll keep an eye on it. So this is the afternoon. This is around 1 o'clock in the afternoon. These are thunderstorms that develop not only on the crest of the Sierra, but on the west slope. So this would be Pollock Pines, Arnold. This would be Paradise, Grass Valley, Nevada City, Portola, Quincy, all getting the chance of showers, thunderstorms, lightning, hail, that sort of thing. And it's the motion that carries them in this direction. So they don't just stay in the Sierra. You can see how they go from south to north and kind of to the northwest. Don't really anticipate we see anything down on the valley floor during the day on Saturday. This is Saturday night around 8 o'clock. So once again, Lassen County and Plumas County getting a good amount of rain. You've seen a lot of that. And then the flow continues. This model won't get into all the way into the day Sunday. This is Sunday morning. And as you can see, there's still activity to the south. So let's go to the Nam Nest, which will go a little bit farther out in time. I'll actually back this up because I showed you that little feature that the HRRR has on Saturday morning. This model does not have that. So that's kind of one of the reasons why I discount that. But this is also Saturday afternoon, a slightly different solution here, but similar enough that I would keep the same areas in chances of rain. Certainly Tahoe and Truckee. If you're going to be in Tahoe, it really looks like we're going to see thunderstorms on Saturday afternoon. And then this is getting into Sunday morning. The activity decreases during the overnight hours. And then during the day Sunday, that same flow. We have a low here. So you can watch how this area of rain starts to come down from the north. See how it has this motion here? Well, the showers here come from the south, so that's a clear indication you have a low spinning around. And then Sunday, the models are certainly indicating that then we may see some sprinkles in the valley. And I really think that we could see some activity down into Sonora, Twain Harte, certainly, I think on Sunday has a better chance of having some rain. And then let me go to the NAM, which will go a little bit farther out in time. This doesn't quite have the same resolution, but you'll get the idea. that this is Sunday night. Yeah, there's some shower activity over the valley. So really can't rule that out. It wouldn't be anything heavy. And then as we get into the day on Monday, this is Monday afternoon, it looks like by then the activity will stay along the crest of the Sierra. So the bottom line for the weekend is that we are going to see Sierra thunderstorms on both Saturday and Sunday in Tahoe, Truckee, Portola. That's a guarantee. On the west slope, Colfax, Grass Valley, Nevada City. I think Saturday may be your better day. Sunday, I think the better chance may be south of Highway 50. But I'd include Camino in that, as well as, let's say, Pioneer, Jackson, Twain Harte, Arnold, Sonora. Certainly the Yosemite Valley, I think, would see some activity during the day on Sunday as well. And of course, a lot of that cloud cover will come down over the valley. So that's going to be the key to the weekend. We'll see more cloud cover than what we'll see during the day today. And all those clouds be coming down the hill, but the chances of rain in the valley are pretty minimal. But if we do see anything, it may be Sunday night and into very early Monday morning, and it would be very light rain. After that, things warm up for next week. I do think we're going to see some valley temperatures in the 90s next week. Don't see any hundreds on the horizon, but right now it does look as though we could get into the 90s next week. So that's your Friday morning briefing. I'll be back in the office in a suit and tie for 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, and 11 o'clock tonight, and I'll have more information for you then. Make it a great day. I'll talk to you later.